I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back from the shops as you have seen from the previous clips. I'm gonna make so we bought not a lot, but we bought chili garlic, chili ginger garlic, crushed garlic, and mogodu, right, and tlakwana, maotwana, bors. As you can see, barbecue chicken spice. I don't know why I bought barbecue chicken spice. Then we went to Pep. I got the bath gloves. And then these are the spices, still very 10 rand, guys. You see? See, guys? Moringa cloves and starts. And then styling gel. Spaghetti sauce. Yeah. And 2 packets of sunlight. Oh, and top shot. Hey guys, that's all we got. And then we're gonna have spag for lunch. This is the first meal of the day. So you guys, chill with me. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Those are one of those things where you can have fun.
Where are you from?
wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
So guys, meanwhile I'm cooking mogodu, my tribe. I decided to do my nails, guys. These are my nail equipment. Let me prove the phone.
Mommy, I would.
Wow. So I want to do this. This is what I want to do. So I bought this lingual gel. Yes, guys, that's what I want to do for now. These are all my equipment. And then I will do this tomorrow. Yes, guys, I'll do this tomorrow. But now, I want to, for now, I want to do my toes. Let's do it. Anyway, so Rimpo.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Da, 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 da. Feels like the first time